And it's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, and it's a new year. New Year's Eve, we go for some live entertainment. And after we've welcomed in the new year, we go down on New Year's Day to the beach, have a look at Sunny Beach. The weather is fantastic. I'll get some brand new money. And Dober 10.
Dober Vecce from New Nesibar on New Year's Eve. Oh.
Yeah, it's -4, it's very cold. We'll come out and join the crowd.
Yeah, 10 o'clock at night. How we suffer for you guys to bring you the latest news.
Yeah. So last night at the left, we're in the Euro tomorrow. Oh, a new dawn breaks in Bulgaria.
Yeah, that'll be interesting for the next few days though, going into the Euro.
So I go join the people and listen to the band that's just starting.
Yeah. Oh, this is great tonight, and it's also brilliant living here in Bulgaria, especially near Sunny Beach, because there's always something going on. This is absolutely amazing tonight. Happy New Year, everybody. Oh, it's brilliant.
And if you're enjoying the video, Natisny Butona, hit that like button, really helps spread the video for us. Thanks a lot. It's a really unusual New Year because a lot of bars have closed. We would have stayed open tonight, and restaurants. The reason is that the banks have closed tea time tonight. Even my bank online, the apps have all gone, and a lot of cash machines aren't working now because they're changing to the Euro in the next hour. So they're having to close them for so many hours to bring in the new currency and the new systems. So you've got to have cash with you tonight if you're going out. So a lot of businesses have decided not to trade. Far easier just to close. bit of a shame, really. There you go. On the Euro tomorrow, I haven't even got one in my wallet.
Аре, почваме. 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bulgarians simply love fireworks. The last couple of years we've been at home, and at midnight the whole skyline has been illuminated by them. Every village just has fireworks overhead. It's amazing here on New Year's Eve. It really is. It's great fun. And of course tonight we've come to Niseba to see a bigger display, a formal display. The whole thing about tonight is it's free entry. It costs you a penny for a night out, even though it is cold. And then it's the next day, New Year's Day. And the celebrations are over. I get out of bed, not that early, and head down to Sunny Beach. Because the celebrations are now over. Well, welcome to the 1st of January.
Yeah, Dobry day and Happy New Year, everybody.
Yeah, 2026 has arrived. We're looking forward to a new season. Lots of exciting things in Sunny Beach.
But look at this today, look at this sky, absolutely gorgeous, but it is only 4 degrees, so it's a bit chilly.
Very cold getting out of the car. I was okay at home with the heating on. This is cold. We're going to have a quick walk around, taking the sunshine because we can.
That's my saying, because we can. Anyway, come and join us, everybody, on this new glorious New Year's Day.
Well, folks, being the 1st of January, I've just been to the bank, the Auto Bank, and it's giving out euros. First time ever I have Bulgarian euros in my hand. There you go. But unfortunately, I owe Susan lots of money this week because I ran out of levs, and she's been funding me in her levs, so I've got to give most of it to her.
In euros, it's very upset.
I'm very upset. Took money out of the bank. I can't even keep it now. I've got to give it to Susan. But there you go. There's the new notes. They feel very thin. They're very strange. They do feel very thin, but obviously they're brand new. Nobody's ever held them before. Virgin notes. It's going to be interesting this summer. We don't know what's going to happen. I will keep you updated, so keep watching what's happening in Bulgaria and Sunny Beach in 2026.
And we've come to do what we usually do when you come to Sunny Beach. You must come and have a walk on the jetty. So that's what we're going to do this morning, everybody. So come and join us, have a little walk on the jetty as usual.
And last night we were across there at New Niseba, and it was so cold, it was absolutely bitter. It was freezing. Oh God, I felt so stiff when I got back in the car when we finished. Got home, had a brandy, some chicken nibbles to warm up before we went to bed. But it's not far, and the ferries will be running here, so the starts of end of May really, and it was 15 lever last year. So a straight conversion, basically near enough, is 7.5 lever. 7.5 euros. See, I'm not used to it yet. So it'd be interesting to see if it's 7.5 or they'll round it up to 8. It's going to be interesting to see that. But we'll let you know when this...
Oh, I'm just looking at the beach there on this beautiful cold January the 1st, imagining all the sun loungers. Won't that be great, guys, when you're here on your holidays, laid on that beach in the sun? Oh, it'd be lovely.
The sea will be a little bit warmer by the time you get here, I promise.
Oh yeah, this time last year I went for a swim, but I don't fancy it today. It's a bit chilly. Chillier than last year anyway. Oh. Right, we'll continue our walk now. Come on, everybody. Oh.
And the last few days of 2025 was spent in my studio editing the hotel guide for Sunny Beach for 2026. Very strange, because it's been a few months since we had a busy resort, and today it's 5 months exactly to the first official day of the full summer season. It's 5 months today, but obviously a month before that or so, in May, it will start to open, and Easter is at the beginning of April this year, very early on. So 1 or 2 places will open up for the Easter holiday, which is great for us because that's not actually that far away. We start to get the first bar or 2 opening up, which is lovely. Somewhere to sit and have a drink. Although today I'd rather have a brandy or a hot coffee. I don't think I'm into beer today. It's a bit chilly.
Oh, and obviously on Flower Street here, the workers are having their holidays as well. But as this progresses, during the next couple of weeks, we will be here to report on it, on how it's progressing. So keep watching, everybody, in anticipation for your holiday, when it's a bit warmer, I must say, hopefully. My fingers are a bit chilly.
So we're on Flower Street, and this is where I got my first euros from, FI Bank. Got 4 machines on the bank, fantastic, no problem, brand new machines. Don't even put your card in, obviously just scan it there. Very safe, very secure. But so please avoid the Euronet tourist machines that litter Flower Street, give you a bad rate, they cost a lot of money to use, very bad exchange rate. Don't use those. There's a couple of banks, there's this one, there's Co-op, proper machines, good rates, no problems. It's quite interesting, a couple of weeks ago, you may have seen it, we did a video showing the main central roadworks going through Sunny Beach. Had a message from one of our subscribers, Andrew, they're going to finish that obviously end of April, aren't they? Because there's a huge cycle race. It's a bit like the Tour de France. It's a 3,500 kilometre race, an Italian one. And first week of May, they're doing a stage in Neseba and Sunny Beach. They'll be cycling through. There'll be loads of guys in fancy jerseys, bikes, support teams coming through here first week of May. So hopefully there's something exciting for us to film. It also just shows there's always something sporting, culturally going on in the region. It's never really boring here. There's always something to see and do. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's just shot up to 6 degrees.
Does it? Oh.
Wow, it was 5 degrees a minute ago and it's just hit 6. Oh. Still very chilly. But the thing is here, we have a temperate climate on the coast. A really good climate. So this cold won't last very long. By the weekend it'll be 14, 15 degrees. That's the forecast by the weekend. Really warming up. But the people who, the foreigners who emigrate to Bulgaria and move into the centre of the country, they can get down to -20 in the winter or worse, get snowed in for weeks. And then in the summer, they're looking at well over 40 degrees. Because of the sea being here, we don't get those extremes of temperature on the coast. Although today it does feel a bit extreme. I'm not used to this.
No, I can't feel my fingers.
But in the sunshine, it's actually really pleasant. You get out the wind, in the sun it's really, really nice. You can sit and have a coffee outside.
Oh, I can't get over how clear that sky is. It's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, beautiful day. So there you go, 6 degrees, 1st of January.
It's not bikini weather though, is it? Oh.
So go out and film the next weekend. That'll be more like 15 degrees, 16 degrees. Yeah. It's going to get really nice in a few days.
I might not have my gloves and my hat on then. Oh. And when Andrew was getting his euros out at the proper machine there, and he mentioned, do not use these Euronet machines. We've said it so many times and we will continue to say it. They're not very good. But all over Sunny Beach now, the cards are accepted. So you don't particularly need cash, although cash is still king. You can pay by a card, be it a Revolut card or whatever card you've got. Cards are accepted now in Bulgaria, in Sunny Beach. And the other bank on Flower Street is the Co-op Bank, and they've got 2 machines at the front. So again, real bank machines which won't cost you a fortune to use. So there is a couple of banks, real banks on Flower Street.
Oh, what a couple of days. I've lost half my money in 24 hours because the figure that was in my bank account in Bulgaria was a really nice. I was sitting there going, this is really nice. I've got this wad here, feeling really happy. I click on my bank this morning, the number has gone, it's half what it was before because obviously now it's euros instead of leather. So I'm feeling absolutely poor.
Oh dear, you'll be all right. I'll hope you spend it.
Yeah, and we must thank Ken because he gave us a donation earlier in the summer and said, get yourself something for filming. So I've got a new keyboard for my editing, for my computer, Ken. So thanks a lot for that.
Yeah, because he'd worn out some of the letters on his old keyboard. So.
Yeah, I was having to guess what the letters were, which is getting a bit difficult.
Yeah.
So right, ciao ciao for now.
And ciao ciao from me, everybody.
For our first film in 2026.
Oh.
See you again later.
Bye.
The new Sunny Beach Life hat has been come out of storage. Thanks to Emil for giving me that back in the summer. And it's going to be a great year, I think, in Sunny Beach. Lots of changes, lots of new restaurants, bars and upgrades all over the place. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can keep informed of what's happening in Sunny Beach before you get here on your holiday in 2026.